Hello everyone, it's Samip. In this video I'm cleaning throttle body for 2005 Toyota 4Runner. It has over 250,000 miles and it's never cleaned. So I'm going to use this product, throttle body and air intake cleaner. Let's see how it's gonna look after I clean. First, take the hood out. Tell me with her two bolt both sides. Just take it out. Already take it out and pull out. It's ready to come out. And this is the part. This is the part we're supposed to clean. So for this one, I want to make a bigger space. So I'm going to take the whole mass airflow, the pipe and everything, hose and everything, whatever you call it. I'm going to take it out. So first I'm going to disconnect here and I'm going to disconnect from here. So whatever connected between, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to take everything out. So you're going to connect, like, you can disconnect the wire and pipe, whatever is in between. So let's do it. I already lost this part. I'm going to take it out. So the click. So the filter out. Just be careful when you take it out. You don't want to break anything. You don't want to make anything dirty or mess. When you take it out, the one of the bolt from here and one from the bottom here, and lose this part, is slowly slide out. Very be careful. You don't want to mess up with any of the wire. You don't want to break any hose or anything. Just very gently. Now everything is out. Let's see how dirty it is. Now you don't want to push this one too hard to break it, but you want to go very softly. You want to clean all edges around everything. So whatever you see in the dark thing, you want to make it all shiny. Spray on a towel and you clean up slowly. So I need both hands, so let me do it and I'll show you how it's going to look like. Okay, slowly, this is called butterfly. Slowly, very slowly, you open it and clean the edge perfectly and around where the butterfly exactly sits. It's very dirty. This vehicle has more than 250,000 miles on it and never cleaned. So this look, let's see how it's going to look. There you go. Now before and after, now it's completely clean. Now connect everything back. After you clean properly this part, you're going to connect the same way back how you open. Line up nicely. One bolt here, one over here. Line up. Just want to make sure there's no air leak from this connection. That's the only thing you need to be worried about here. this is how I clean it.